We all want to make money on YouTube, right? Even you, no matter how popular or how small your hobby is. But the burning question is, how long does it actually take to make some significant amount of cash on YouTube? Let's say $1,000. Let's cover the 4 most popular ways to earn money on YouTube, and let's see which one of them will get us to $1,000 fastest. The most common method is through YouTube AdSense revenue. This is when YouTube puts ads on your videos and pays you for each view. To start receiving this cash, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Often not so easy to reach, but once you hit these milestones, every video you upload on YouTube will generate a passive income for you. I will show you example of one of my videos on Rookie Handyman channel. As you can see right here, I will go to the analytics of my YouTube studio and I will go here on a date to the oldest videos I have uploaded on my channel. And I will just take a look at one video here. Let's say this video that has 100,000 views. Let's go to analytics and let's see, estimated revenue from the lifetime of this video is $216. And as you can see, I started to receive money for this video right here. But every day after that moment, the amount of money earned from this video grew bigger and bigger. And as you can see, even today, this video was uploaded 3.5 years ago. As you can see, every day I earn $1, $2, $3 from this video right here. That's why this is called a passive income, because once you upload your video, and as you can see, I just uploaded a video that is 2 minutes long. That was like maybe 30 minutes of work to make this video and upload it. And it is earning money for a lifetime. The second way to earn money is through affiliate links in the description of your videos. Now, I use this method in every one of my videos, and whatever I was talking about, I would put affiliate links down in the description and I would earn a small commission from it. And when you are showing something interesting and when you tell people that they can find this same thing by clicking on the link in the description below, you will be amazed just how many people click on that link because they are interested in what you are talking about. A good example of that is something like this. If you want to put your hobby on YouTube and if you want to start earning some passive income from it, check out the description below and join our YouTube Hobby Academy, where you can find everything you need to put your hobby out there and to set everything up the right way from the start. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 people monetize their hobby on a YouTube, and the fastest way to get there is if we share our knowledge and if we help each other on this journey. Click the button below and join our YouTube Hobby Academy. It's completely free, you have nothing to lose. Now, that was a good call to action, right? The third way of making money on YouTube is something very similar to what I'm doing with YouTube Hobby Academy, but instead of making it free, you can make a paid version of your group. Whatever your hobby is, you can earn money by teaching other people. If this is something you have been doing for a couple of years, you have much more experience than someone who is just starting out. You just have to make a simple call to action in your videos. Something like, if you want me to teach you one-on-one, click the link in the description and we will set up a one-on-one call where we can discuss everything you need and we will come up with a detailed personal coaching plan for you. It's as simple as that, and when you resonate with people, people will ask for more time with you. And the last method is to make a specific video for a brand or a company. You can earn a good amount of money by doing sponsored videos, but this usually means you need to have over 1,000 subscribers to have a good reach on YouTube in order for companies to contact you. I have experienced this with my Rookie Handyman channel. Once I got over 3,000 subscribers, offers for sponsored videos got more and more frequent, and this can be a very lucrative income stream. So, if you are not monetized, use affiliate links and your own products to earn your first $1,000. If you have a course, PDF guide or one-on-one coaching, you can earn your first $1,000 in just 3 months on a YouTube. If you don't have your product, then you have to rely on YouTube AdSense and brand deals to make your first $1,000. It took me 4 months to earn my first $1,000 with my Rookie Handyman channel once I got monetized. And if you land a good brand deal, you can easily earn $1,000 from just one video. Now, if you want to see the full breakdown of my Rookie Handyman channel earnings, then check out this video right here. I will show you behind the scene analytics and everything you need to know about putting your hobby on a YouTube. So make sure to check it out.